From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a couple quick ways that I mix my voiceovers into music beds. And these are strategies that I've used for mixing music for a while, and they actually work really well. So let me get started. All right, so the first way is my favorite, and it's using FabFilter Pro Q3. So what you're gonna do is if you have a music bed and you have a vocal track, you're going to put a FabFilter Pro Q3 on the music bed, and you're going to sidechain the vocal into the EQ. The next step is to open the FabFilter Pro Q3. Head over to where you see it say 0 latency and just switch it to linear phase. Now head over to the Analyzer section and we're going to EQ match. Once you click EQ match, you just have to select the external sidechain and then click match. Now, once you have all these bands, you can make them more narrow or more wide by using this slider. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all of the frequencies below 0, so everything that's getting cut, and I'm gonna just remove them. And now I'm gonna select everything above, and I'm gonna bring them to 0. So now basically we have all of the areas that the voiceover apparently is matched with my voice. And these are the areas that I'm going to control with dynamics. All I need to do with all these selected is turn dynamics on, and I can adjust the Q and also the amount of the dynamics. So now the dynamics are basically going to be cutting or compressing around the areas where my voice matches the music bed, which is going to allow for more open space. All right, so that was my favorite way, and I usually do that, but sometimes music can be intense. So the next couple ways are very similar, but the easiest way to do this is with a plugin called Track Spacer. So if you put a track spacer on top of the music bed, and again, you sidechain it to the voiceover, and now essentially this is just a one knob mix for multi-band compression. And there's a nice high pass and low pass filter here that can often be helpful, so I suggest checking that out too. Okay, so here's one other way to achieve a similar effect. This one's definitely the most advanced and leaves you with the most options, and it's using FabFilter Pro MB. And essentially we're just gonna be doing the same thing, sidechaining the music bed to the vocal or voiceover. And now if you create a band, you can just go over to the advanced setting here, select the sidechain, and you have full control over this sidechain ducking effect. You have full attack, release, ratio, knee settings. So yeah, this is definitely the most surgical way to do this.